how to download Delta Force Mobile on PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Delta Force Mobile on your PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Open any browser on your PC like Chrome or Edge in the search bar. Type Delta Force Mobile. Open the Google Play Store link that appears on the top of the Google search. Now you'll see a button that says Download for Windows or Install on Windows. Click on it. The file downloading will start. The downloading will take some time. After that, you will be able to install the game. Once the download is complete, now the game setup will appear on the screen. Choose the location where you want to install the game. By custom, it is set to Drive C, and click on Install. The installation will begin automatically. Make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements. Once the download and installation are complete, open the game from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Now you can enjoy Delta Force Mobile right on your PC with full graphics and controls support. That's all for the video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.